Namaste to one and all. This is Madhu from Bharati Devon's Residential Public School, Tadepalligudam. Today, I would like to explain you about simple present tense. Before we know about simple present tense, let us know what is a tense. Tense is a change in the form of the verb to express time of an action, or tense means time and it tells the time of an action. Let us come to simple present tense. In what way we can use simple present tense? Let us see now. It is used to denote universal truths, habitual actions, daily actions, or scheduled actions, statement of facts, pre-planned future actions, and etc. To make these sentences, we use simple present tense. Let us see about positive structure of simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus object, or subject plus verb 1 plus s or es or ies plus object. For the structure, first one, for the subjects I, we, you, they, we use this structure. For the subjects he, she, it, we use this structure. To make negative sentence in simple present tense, we use subject plus, do or does plus, not plus, verb 1 plus, object. To make interrogative sentence in simple present tense, we use do or does plus, subject plus, verb 1 plus, object. To make negative interrogative sentence, we use do or does plus, not plus, subject plus, verb 1 plus, object. For the subjects I, we, you, they, we have to use the helping verb do. For the subjects he, she, it, we have to use the helping verb does. Let us see the keywords to identify a sentence from simple present tense. The keywords are everyday, daily, every year, every month, every Sunday, regularly, etc. These are the keywords to identify a sentence, is it belongs to simple present tense or not. Let us see example. In example 1, she plays cricket or she does play cricket. She plays cricket. Let us see. This is the positive sentence. Just remember your structure once. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. So she plays cricket. Or we can write in this way also. She does play cricket. We need not write does, but to make a negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence, we have to use the helping verb do or does in simple present tense. So let us see what is the negative sentence for she plays cricket. She does not play cricket. Let us see the negative structure. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. She does not, she subject, does not, verb 1 play, and cricket. So let us know about does she play cricket? Positive interrogative. This is positive interrogative. Positive interrogative sentence. Let us see negative interrogative sentence. Doesn't she play cricket? Doesn't she play cricket? Example 2. They walk very well. They do not walk very well. Do they walk very well? Don't they walk very well? In this way, we can write by using do as the helping verb. Here, I told you for the subjects I, we, you, they, we have to use the helping verb do. For the subjects he, she, it, we have to use the helping verb does. Let us see here, they walk very well. In this, they is plural, so here do we have used. In this way, they do not walk very well. Do they walk very well? Don't they walk very well? In example 3, universal truths. This is the example for universal truth. The sun rises in the east. This is the positive sentence. Negative sentence. The sun does not rise in the west. Negative sentence. Let us. The sun does not rise in the west. Interrogative sentence. Does the sun rise in the east? Negative interrogative. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? In this way, we can make negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. Example 4. Cows give us milk. Cows plural. Cows do not give us milk. This is the example for negative sentence. Negative sentence. Do cows give us milk? This is the example for interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Don't cows give us milk? This is the example for negative interrogative sentence. In this way, by following the structures, positive structure, negative structure, interrogative structure, negative interrogative structure, we can make sentences in simple present tense. If you want to say positive sentence, we can use this structure. If you want to make negative sentence in simple present tense, you can use this structure. If you want to make a question, you can use this structure. If you want to make a negative question, you can use this structure. So children, I hope you understand and use this exercise to complete your exercise. Thank you.